Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. It's pen art time, and today I want to inspire you cuties to spread the love. So let's get started. To draw this cute couple, let's first start by drawing the slice of bread. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to start with a curve going around. So I'm going to come up for the top of our bread and go up. Nice and round, and let's see here, let's bring it down about here, this wide, and bring it in just a little bit less, and then we're going to come back down right here for the sides of our bread and then round it off, and then come down same as the other side and round it off. Now that you're the same height, and then just connect it with a soft curve. So everything is nice and soft, nothing too harsh and straight. There, so we have a basic slice of bread. Now let's thicken it up. So I'm going to come to this point right here, just come out, say about this much, and then I'm going to bring a line down, following this. And as I come to about right here, I'm just going to bring it in and taper it in. Then I'm going to go around just like this curve right here. And then I'm going to go up, and as I go up, I'm going to make it a little bit thinner at the top. We're just going to see a little bit of it. We're just trying to give our slice of bread some volume, and then just taper it in about right here. There. Then come back and fix my Sharpie. There, so your basic slice of bread. Then from there, let's draw our jar. So I'm going to come right next to it, and let's say about right here. Well, you know what, let's start right here. I think it's a little bit easier, so we make sure that our jar is right next to our bread. So I'm just giving myself a little bit of room for the hand, and I'll come about right here. And I'm going to draw a straight line down for our jar. And then just like the bread at this level, I'm going to round it off. So I'm going to bring this across, say about this wide, and draw the same thing. So go straight down with a line, and about right there once again, round it off for the bottom of our jar, and connect with a soft curve. There. So then now that we have the base of our jar, let's go up a little bit. Just gonna go up a little bit more, about right there, and then I'm going to angle it in for the sides, so about right there, and I'm going to drag this point across approximately about right here, and draw the same angle on the other side. Just round it off for our top of our jar, and then we can draw our lid. So I'm going to come right here and just close it off, pop it out a little bit, and then go up and go across to create our lid, and down. So just notice our lid is a little bit wider than the sides. There, so we have a piece of bread and a jar. So now to make it not just a slice of bread, but a toasted bread with spread on it, let's come right here and bring it to life with some draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come about here and draw a circle, and come right across about right here and draw another circle. There, and then let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now I have my eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye, and then in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile a little curve, and then cap it off. There. And then let's draw a heart shape spread right here of jam. So I'm going to come right into the center, right under, and say about right here. Give myself a point, and we're going to draw a heart. So I'm just going to kind of wobble a little bit because it is just jam. Don't need it to be perfect, but we just want to kind of like a heart shape. And as we come down here, I'm just going to wobble a little bit and try and make it look like jam. Maybe give it a little bit of a drip look. And just connect everything. Hopefully that works, not sure, but that's the idea, to make it look like jam. And then let's come over here and decorate our jar. So I'm going to come about right here, come underneath where it angles in, and say about right here. And drag this point across so I know where I'm going on the other side. And I'm going to just draw a soft curve about right here, and then I'm going to go up with a big curve towards the other side, same height, and then continue. So I'm just giving my jar here a label and try and decorate it. And then from there, let's come to the bottom, say about right here, and drag a point across so you know where you're going. And once again, a soft curve all the way across. Then let's see here. Then let's put in some happy eyes. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve in this area and then thicken it up and give it a little curve at the end. And then same thing on the other side, about right here. And curve it up and thicken it up. There. And then of course a sweet smile, and let's say give it a little tongue because it's very yummy, and a little curve right here above each eye. So the jam is all up to you. You can make it whatever flavor you like, but today I'm going to make it a strawberry. So in this space is where you will draw your fruit. So I'm going to come right by here and just draw a strawberry. Very simple little strawberry in whatever space I have left. So a little bit wider at the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to put in the crown right here so we know, and a little stem. There. Actually, you know what, maybe we should thicken it up. And then when I color it, I'll put in some, well actually no, let's just do that now. There. Now we know for sure that's a strawberry, right? And then let's have them holding hands. So say about right here, I'm going to draw a curve, and here, and then have them meet, and then thicken it up right here with 2 dots. And then on this side, with her other hand, let's come out. And I thought it'd be really cute to have her holding like a knife, because she's spreading the love, right? So let's come right here if you want to do that. I'm going to go up and then come down nice and soft with this butter knife. Come down the handle. And then let's see here, we can put some jam on here when you color it, and then the hands. Just going to thicken this up and thicken this up to make it look like it's holding it right there. And then on the other side is the other hand for our bread. So about right here, just bring it out a curve and thicken it up for the hands. There. And last but not least, I'll add a heart right here to decorate my jar. And that is pretty much it. Oh, actually, no, I totally forgot. Sorry. I need to write the pun, right? So spread the love. And I'll try to do it up here. So I'll start right here. Spread the love. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to try and make it a little fancier with our S. And then P-R-E-A-D, spread, and the and love. So let's Make love, Love. So about right here. There, something like that. Spread the love, and I'll come in here real quick just to spruce it up. There, and that is pretty much it for this cute pun art to hopefully inspire you today to spread the love. I really hope I helped you draw this drawing fun and easy today, and that brought a smile to your day. And if it did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.